4th standard maths. Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here semester 2nd topic number 11 fractions. Topic number 11 fractions. Fractions means what? Fractions means what? A fraction means is a part of whole, okay. Fractions means what? Part of whole. See here is one's rectangle shape is here, and we do their part 4 part, okay. This is one part, this one second part, this one third part, and this one fourth part, okay. Now how to write this one fraction, how to represent this fraction, this shape, how to represent this one shape, okay. Now here see, 2/4 of rectangle, 2/4 of rectangle is color with pencil, and 2/4 part of rectangle is color with pen, okay. Now see here, how to read this one? 2/4, 2/4, yeah, 2 out of 4 equal parts. Now see, you call that 2 numerator number, this one line you call fraction bar, fraction or division bar, okay. And you call that one denominator number, okay. This one you understand? All of you understand? Numerator number indicates the number of equal parts considered is written above the fraction bar, and denominator number indicates total number of equal parts of whole shape, and divided into is written as a below of fraction bar, okay. Now see here is one line, okay. Here do one lines 4 parts, we do the 4 parts. This is a 0, 0 to 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4, okay. Now how to read this one part, this one lines part? How to read? This line is a 1/4, this 2/4, this one 3/4. 4/4 means You call here 1. You call here 1. 4 by 4 means 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. Means you got here 1 centimeters, 4 part you do here. Understand? Now, see here. Here given you 8 circles. Sorry, 12 circle. Okay. Here given you 12 circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into divided 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how to read this one? First one line. First one line. How to read? First one have 4 balls, na? This have 4 balls. This is a 1/3 of 12 balls. Okay, 1/3 of 12 balls. Understand? 1/3 means 3 fours are 12. One line have how many balls there? 12. See, 12 divided by 3, answer is 4. One line have how many balls are there? 4. Understand how to do? One circle given. We draw one circle. There do the half part. You write 1 by 2. Here also one circle we draw, and there this color part is 1 by 2. Here color part is 1 by 4. Okay. All of you understand how to write fraction. Write in numerals and inward. Inward how to write? You write here half. Here write 1/4. You part there 1 by 3. Write there 1/3. How to read? That type you write in words. Understand? All of you understand now how to write? Where is the numerator number? Above of fraction bar, and denominator numbers is below of fraction bar. Understand? All of you understand now? Now open your textbook. Open the page number 57. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks, fill in the table. Okay. See, here fraction given. You want here numerator number, denominator number. They also write in words and meaning. Okay. See, fraction 4 by 9. Here numerator number is where? Above fraction bar, above line. 4. Denominator number below of bar, right here. And write there in words. Four ninth. 4 ninth. And meaning 4 out of 9 equal parts. 4 out of 9 also you write. Okay. Next one, numerator number 3, denominator number 7. What you write here? 3/7. 3 out of 7. 3 out of 7. Here numerator number is 4, denominator number is 17. 4, 17. 4 out of 17. All of you understand now how to write? Next one. Question number 2. Color to represent the given fraction. Write their fraction in figures. Fraction in figures means write there in numbers. 3, 4. 3/4 means you have crayon colors now. You did with your crayon colors also. Okay. 3/4. You want there 3 parts of color. 1, 2, color there correctly, and 3. 3/4. First given bar, 3 write on numerator place above the bar and 4 write on below the bar. Now 9th, 10th. Color there 9 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 only remaining. Color there and write in figures. First given bar, numerator number, denominator number. 1/5. Only one color there. 1/5. 5/6. 1 is there remaining. 5/6. 2/3, 1/4. You also color there and write there. Okay. This is your homework. Now question number 3. Estimate how full each content is. Mark their correct answer. Mark their correct answer. See, here is glass. Here is glass. You imagine there is glass. And how many full up that one? Half, na? See here. So 1/2 is a correct answer. Make their correct tick. When you see na that type, you imagine that one is a half, yeah, 1/3. No, half is there na. Next one, there is a mug. Okay. And how many fill up there? 7/10. 7 out of 10, 7 part is there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But here only one part is fill up there. So 7 part means this is a above half. Above half. So 1/10 is the correct answer. Okay. Now this one is a bottle. Bottle have a water. How many fill up that one? 4/5 or 2/5? 2/5 means this is a below of half. Below of half. But this one is a above half fill there. Okay. So 4/5 is a correct answer. Next one. Next one. Fill in the missing fraction between 0 to 1 on the given number line. We see here na. See here. Here given you one part. Okay. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 0. You want first you count there how many parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts are there. Means 5 equal parts are there. First you below write 5. Below bar write 5. This is a 1 part, so write there 1. This is the second part, so write there 2/5. This is a 3/5. This is a 4/5. And this is a 5/5 means 1. Understand how to do? Now open your textbook. See here. Fill in the missing fraction between 0 to 1 on the given number line. First one 0 to 1 given, but there how many total parts count there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First one below bar write there 8. First one part now 1 by 2. 2 by 8 is given. Next one 2, after 2 3 part complete. Then 4 part. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7. All of you understand? And 8 by 8 means 1 is completed there. Now 1, 0 to 1. How many total parts? Count there 1, 2, 3. Below bar you write there 3. This is a 1 by 3, 2 by 3. This is a 3 by 3 means 1. This one also we solve here. You solve in your notebook. Okay. Next one. Simplify. 1 by 2 of 4 balls. 1 by 2 of 4 balls. 1 by 2 of 4 balls means, see, 1 by 2 of 4 balls means one line have how many balls? 1 by 2 multiplied by 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Right there 2. Now also here same, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. How many lines they are coming? 3. Here 2. 1 by 3, 9 blocks. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Right there 3. D1 also you solve. Now also same, simplify, same as it is here. 1 by 4 of 12. 1 by 4 of 12. 4 threes are 12. Right there 3. 6 threes are 18. 7 threes are 21. 9 nines are 81. 8 sevens are 56. This one is your homework. Okay. Now, skill test. Skill test. How many parts is the flag divided into? How many parts there? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. Are all the parts are equal? You see the flag. All parts are equal na? Yes. Right there? Yes. How many parts are green? How many parts are green? Only one is there na? 1. Okay. What is fraction of flag is green? Flag is green. How many total parts? Right there below total parts 3. And green part how many is there? Only 1. 1 by 3 is a fraction. All of you understand now how to write? Now, Hort's question. 1 by 2 of an hour. 1 by 2 of an hour. 1 by 2 an hour means 1 hour have how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay. You want there 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 30 minutes. Half hour. In half hour how many minutes are there? 30 minutes. 1 by 2 of meter. 1 meter means how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. 1 by 2 means, see here, 1 by 2 multiply by 100. 50 centimeter. 1 by 2 of kilometer, 1000 means 500. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Next 0. 1 by 2 of liter means 500 ml. Half a day. Half a day means one day have how many hours? 24 hours. Half a day means how many hours? 12 hours. 1 by 2 of year. 1 year have how many months? 12 months. How many months half year? 6 months. G and H is your homework. G and H is your homework. Okay. All of you understand now fraction topic? Now, today's homework is page number 57, 58 and 59 completed. Okay. Thank you.